Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and you're going to see that we're going to remove this fender to be able to replace it because it's been all dented up and messed up. So there's a couple things in replacing the fender. Now you would remove the wheel well if it was there. That is completely missing. So you don't have to do anything with that plastic part of the wheel well. But if it was there, there would be like this screw and these connectors, push pin connectors that stick into this plastic piece. This plastic piece is still good, so we will be removing this from this fender and putting onto the new fender that's going to go back in place. So we've got a cover plate right here that we need to pop off, be able to gain access to one bolt that's right here. And then you're going to have another cover plate up top here, right here, and you're going to do the same of just working your way to pop it off to be able to gain access to a bolt that is right here to be removed. We can just set that aside there. And so we have one bolt here, the one bolt here, and then right in here there was one push pin right here that you remove, and then there are clips that hold this in, and so these clips here hold this into the fender, and so we remove that and we can set that aside, and now we have access to the other bolts here that hold this on, and there are a couple bolts here that will hold this on to this bracket, but that have already been removed. So let's remove these other bolts, and then there is a bolt down here. And again, we access that being that this portion has been busted off, but if not, you would remove this first to be able to get to that bolt down there. And there will be one or so inside the door jamb itself. And like everything Toyota, size 10.